I don't think we're in. I can't. I don't think we're Island Soda anymore. Come on, guys. Let's go. Choo choo.
Introduction Friday Films. Enjoy the show, everybody. Ho 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 ho.
Hey guys, Jared here. Today we're going to look back at the Thomas Macys Thanksgiving Day balloon. It started to lead the Macys 2014 parades right after Turkey Tom. So, what the best way to start the parade with our favorite #1 engine, Thomas the Tank Engine. So, here we go.
Using the most helium and weighing in as our heaviest balloon today, we welcome to the parade for the first time, Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas, the beloved #1 blue engine from the Thomas and Friends animated series, takes children on unforgettable adventures while teaching timeless lessons of discovery, friendship, and cooperation.
And coming down the track is the ultimate new adventure for Thomas-obsessed kids everywhere. Next summer, Thomas and Friends will be opening the first U.S. Thomas Land amusement park that's right outside Boston.
Thomas will appear again in 2015.
Thanks to Daughtry, and now arriving on track 34, and by the way, right on time, is Mattel's giant inflatable depicting one of the world's most cherished characters, Thomas, everyone's favorite blue engine from the Thomas and Friends animated series. Engineered to be exactly 450 pounds, the #1 engine for kids is the heavyweight balloon champion of this entire parade.
And this year, Thomas the Tank celebrated 70 years of friendship with his fans, and to mark that occasion, Thomas Land Amusement Theme Park in Carver, Massachusetts was opened.
The Paddington Balloon, music star Andra Day, and country's Jennifer Nettles, when the Macys Thanksgiving Day Parade returns.
And finally in 2016.
Arriving right on time for the third year in a row is the most famous steam engine of all time, Thomas the Tank Engine. He's been a busy little guy with the books, the videos, and his Thomas and Friends animated series on PBS Kids and YT Kids. With Thomas in the lead, children experience timeless life lessons of discovery and, of course, cooperation.
In this year's movie, The Great Race, Thomas was joined by trains from around the world. Well, he continues on track right here, inviting all children to help him set friendship in motion by saying, "All aboard."
Let the sunshine in from Lithia, Florida. The sun.
After 2016, the Thomas balloon has retired, making a total of 3 appearances. Honestly, I'm disappointed it just retired, because Thomas is one of the most popular characters of Engine. But hey, maybe they should bring it back, because Thomas has a reboot. Let's see if the reboot's good or bad. Let's see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.